When it comes to AI video creation for marketing, Rephrase.ai and Synthesia are two platforms that often come up. But which one provides the best value for marketers looking to create engaging videos? In this video, I'll compare both tools, so you'll know exactly which one to choose for your marketing strategy. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share an alternative that could be the perfect solution for your needs. Let's start with Rephrase.ai. One of the standout features of Rephrase.ai is its ability to generate realistic AI-generated avatars that can speak in multiple languages, making it a powerful tool for global marketing campaigns. Rephrased.ai uses deep learning to create personalized video content from just text input. This is perfect if you need to create marketing videos with human-like presenters quickly and at scale. Next thing, Rephrased.ai offers a wide range of customization options for avatars, voiceovers, and even the script. You can upload your own script and select from various voices, tones, and accents to match the message you're trying to convey. It's a great option for businesses that want to create highly personalized video content without needing to shoot or edit traditional videos. Now, moving on to Synthesia. Synthesia also focuses on creating AI-generated video content, but what sets it apart is its highly polished avatars and its ability to generate multilingual content with ease. Synthesia's avatars are realistic, and the platform provides a vast array of professional templates, making it easy to create high-quality marketing videos even if you have no video editing experience. This can be particularly appealing for marketers who need to produce polished content quickly. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. While both Rephrased.ai and Synthesia offer user-friendly interfaces, Synthesia may have the edge in terms of simplicity and accessibility. Its platform is designed to streamline the video creation process, so you don't need to worry about complex adjustments or advanced video editing skills. This is perfect for marketing teams looking to produce high-quality content with minimal effort. However, there's a downside to both. While Rephrased.ai offers more flexibility with customization, the platform can sometimes be a bit more technical, requiring a bit of a learning curve. On the other hand, while Synthesia's templates and polished avatars are great, the platform can be limiting if you want to create something more out of the box or highly customized. The fifth thing to note is pricing. Both platforms are subscription-based, but Synthesia tends to be on the pricier side, especially for businesses that need to create videos frequently. Rephrased.ai offers a more affordable entry point, making it an appealing option for smaller businesses or those just starting to experiment with AI video marketing. But here's the thing, while both Rephrased.ai and Synthesia have their strengths, I found that neither of them is perfect for every use case. If you're looking for a solution that provides both advanced customization and ease of use, there's a better option that I'd recommend. If you want a more versatile AI video creation platform that can take your marketing to the next level, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check the description for that exclusive offer.